The GoPro Hero 14 is finally here, and if you're into action cameras or just love capturing your daily life, then this one might be just what you need. The new model brings some important changes that make it stand out from the older ones, and it's designed for people who want simple controls with pro-level results. Whether you shoot for fun or post content online, having a reliable camera makes a big difference. The GoPro Hero 14 gives you smoother footage, sharper pictures, and better battery life, all in one tough little package. You don't need to be a camera expert to use it either, which makes it great for beginners and pros. In this video, we're going to take a close look at what makes this camera so good. We'll talk about the new features, the image quality, the sound, and how it handles real-world use. And by the end, you'll know if this camera is the right pick for your adventures or creative work. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy honest and simple tech reviews that help you decide what's worth buying. The GoPro Hero 14 keeps the same small size but adds more power inside, which makes a big difference when you're out filming. It now uses a new sensor that improves the video quality. Especially in low light, this means your videos will still look bright and clear even when the sun goes down or when you're indoors. The biggest upgrade is the ability to shoot in 8K at 30 frames per second. This gives you super sharp and smooth footage that looks great on bigger screens. And if you don't need 8K, you can still use 4K at higher frame rates, like 120 or 240, which is great for slow motion shots. Stabilization has also gotten better. It uses Hyper Smooth 6.0 and it keeps your footage steady. Even when you're moving fast or on bumpy trails, you could be mountain biking, running, or even skydiving, and still get smooth, clean shots. This helps you focus on your activity and not worry about shaky footage. Battery life is another thing that's been improved. The new Enduro battery lasts longer and works better in extreme temperatures. So whether it's cold or hot outside, you can keep recording without a problem. This is great for people who travel or spend a lot of time outdoors. The touchscreen on the back is easier to use too. It's more responsive and easier to see in bright sunlight, which helps a lot when you're changing settings or reviewing footage. The menu system has been updated, so now it's faster and more user-friendly. That means less time fiddling with controls and more time filming the build of the GoPro Hero. 14 is solid and waterproof without needing a case. You can take it down to 33 feet underwater and it'll keep working fine. This makes it perfect for snorkeling, swimming, or just using it in the rain without worry. And the new lens cover is scratch resistant, which adds a layer of protection if you drop it or bump into something. Audio is better too. The built-in mic now picks up more natural sound and reduces wind noise so your voice or the sounds around you come through more clearly. This is really useful for vloggers or anyone who wants to talk directly to the camera without using an external mic. Voice control is another handy feature. You can start or stop recording, change modes, or take photos just by speaking. And it works well even in noisy places. This comes in handy when your hands are full or if the camera is mounted on a helmet or chest strap. You also get quick file transfers using the GoPro app, which has been improved for both Android and iPhone. You can review, edit, and post your videos right from your phone, which saves time and lets you share your moments fast. GoPro also added new modes like Horizon Lock and Auto Boost, so you can get creative with your shots and not worry about the camera tilting or missing the action. If you want to use it for live streaming or as a webcam, the GoPro Hero 14 supports that too. So it's not just an action cam, it can also be part of your work setup or social media content creation. In real use, the camera feels faster and more reliable. You don't get delays or overheating like some older models. And it turns on quickly so you don't miss important moments. The GoPro Hero 14 is still compatible with most older accessories like mounts, tripods, and mods. So if you already have gear, you won't need to buy everything again. All these things together make the GoPro Hero 14 one of the best compact cameras out right now. It's made for people who want high-quality video with simple controls and tough build. So that's the GoPro Hero 14. It takes everything that made the last model good and makes it even better with sharper video, longer battery life, and more control over your footage. Whether you're hiking through the mountains, riding down trails, or just capturing your day-to-day moments, this camera delivers reliable performance every time. The new 8K video and improved stabilization make your clips look clean and professional. Even if you're not a pro editor, and the better mic and app support help you create and share content faster and easier. It's tough, waterproof, and easy to carry around. which means you can take it anywhere and not worry about breaking it or running out of power. Halfway through your adventure, if you've been thinking about upgrading your camera or getting your first action cam, this is a smart choice. It's packed with features, but still easy to use. So it works well for everyone, from beginners to serious content creators. Thanks for watching, and if this review helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews that keep things simple and honest. We'll see you in the next one with more gear and gadgets you might want to check out.